In a series of offline lectures, today our topic pertains to class 12 subject IP and the topic is Internet Concepts. I repeat, today our topic is Internet Concepts. This topic belongs to chapter number 4, that is Internet and Web Development of class 12. This topic is presented to you by Ankur Pandita, teacher BHSS Drogmulla. Now look, what we will study in this topic. We will study the following concepts related to internet. That is, what is internet? Second, we will study www, that is World Wide Web. Third, URL. URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Fourth, we will study web browser. Fifth, search engine. Now first look what is internet. The internet is a global wide area network that connects computer systems across the world. So internet is a global connecting whole world. That is wide area network. Internet that spans entire continents, that connects computer systems across the world. It includes several high bandwidth data lines that comprise the internet backbone. So our internet comprises of high bandwidth data lines that are capable to transmit data, high bandwidth, high frequency data packets that comprises the internet backbone. These lines, these high bandwidth data lines that connect our data, that transfers our data, are connected to major internet hubs that distribute data to other locations such as web servers and ISPs. And ISPs full form is Internet Service Providers. These are the companies which provide service to various to the people of a country. These are internet service providers. So our internet is a global network that connects computers all over the world. Now look at what is www. www full form is World Wide Web. World Wide Web. The World Wide Web, www, commonly known as web, is an information system. It is an information system. www, World Wide Web, is an information system where documents and web resources are identified by uniform resource locators. So our World Wide Web is a collection of web files which are interlinked, which by hypertext. Hypertext means these are interlinked documents. These documents may be video, audio files, graphic files. So what is our World Wide Web? It is a collection of web pages, and it is a connection of web files which can be accessed by a unique address, that is uniform resource locator. All these web pages are interlinked and are accessible over the internet. It was invented by Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. Tim Berners-Lee is a British scientist which invented World Wide Web while working at CERN laboratories. So what is www? Is a World Wide Web. It consists of information. It is an information system consisting of various interlinked files that can be accessed on over the internet. Now look at what is URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator and is used to specify addresses on the World Wide Web. So in our internet, all the web servers which gives data are identified by their unique addresses. I will give an example of Kashmir's leading newspaper, Greater Kashmir. What Greater Kashmir can be accessed by its URL, that is www.greaterkashmir.com. Everything, every file on the internet has its unique address. That is, it can be accessed by a unique address which is known as uniform resource locator. A URL is the fundamental network identification to any resource connected to the web. So any resource connected to the web can be identified by its unique network identification system, which is known as URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator. Now next in the line is web browser. A web browser is a software application for accessing information on the World Wide Web. So what is a web browser? It is an application for accessing information on the World Wide Web. We can't access any information on the World Wide Web without a web browser. So web browser is a software that can be used for accessing information on the World Wide Web. When a user requests a particular website, the web browser retrieves the necessary content from a web server, and then displays the resulting web page on the user's device. So we can't access World Wide Web without the software, that is web browser. To access World Wide Web, we have to install a software which is known as web browser. Examples of browser are Internet Explorer from Microsoft. Microsoft company has developed web browser, that is Internet Explorer, which comes in our desktops, which is used to access information on the World Wide Web. Next web browser is Firefox from Mozilla. It is also a web browser which is used for accessing information on the World Wide Web. And nowadays there is a popular web browser, that is Chrome, Google Chrome from Google. It is also a web browser that is used to access information on the World Wide Web. There are lots of web browsers at present in our computer industry, that is Opera, UC, and other mobile browsers. There are also mobile web browsers, lots of mobile web browsers that can be used to access information on the World Wide Web. Next in the line is search engine. Basically, our World Wide Web consists of millions and billions of web files which can be accessed by us. So what is a search engine? Search engine is a software program that is used to search this massive information on the web. Whenever we have to search anything on the web, we use a program, we use a software which is known as search engine. In search engine, we search for web file with the help of keywords. Some of the examples of search engine are Google. Basically, when we have to get any information on the World Wide Web, we search it on Google, and Google gives us the relevant websites to access that information. Google is a popular search engine. The other search engines are Bingo and Yahoo. These are also popular search engines. Purpose of the search engine are to locate information which the user is seeking. This massive information system, from this massive information system, we have to search a single information. That is why search engine comes to our rescue. We search any topic in these search engines. So searching is done with the help of search engines, and the popular search engines are Google, Bingo, Yahoo. Students, that is it from our today's topic of internet concepts.